Hi guys, welcome to my video today. Today I'm sharing with you my Walmart grocery haul pickup order. This is all of our groceries for the week, and I'm also going to share with you our meal plan on everything that we're having for dinner each day this week. So I'll share with you everything that I'm going to use the food for that we got. So if you've been around my grocery haul videos, you know I like to spend about $200 a week. I like to keep the budget under $200 a week for our groceries. And that includes everything: breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks for our whole family, or a family of four. So me and my husband and two boys, they are 5 and 6. So they eat a lot of snacks. But this is our food for the whole week. I do one big grocery pickup each week, and I plan everything out so that I make sure we don't have any food waste, and it really helps us stay on budget. Well, this week, my grocery pickup was $148, so way under budget this week, because I went through the freezer and saw that we had quite a few things that we wanted to use up. So I will share with you the meal plan that we're gonna have, and some things I already had in the fridge or the freezer or the pantry. So I'm making sure we use all of that up so that it is not going to waste. So I will share with you the groceries, and I always write down our meal plan, so I will show this to you as well. So let me show you everything that I got. All right, so here's the groceries from the pickup today. And like I said, I went through the pantry and the freezer and checked everything out. So this is not as big of a haul as normal, but it is totally under budget, which I absolutely love. So I will start on this end and share everything with you. So I got a pork loin, and this pork loin, it is pork loin, $3.63, but this is kind of a skinny one, which is definitely fine because we don't finish these when we have them. But this is so delicious. It's applewood smoked bacon, fresh pork tenderloin filet. So easy. I baked this in the oven and the kids love it. So good. But this kind of funny that it's kind of pretty skinny this week. Totally fine though. Got our chicken breasts for the week. We eat a ton of chicken breasts on all kinds of things. Last week I got some of this as well. So it's carne asada, and I got some carne asada seasoning last week from Walmart, and we seasoned it up and put it on the Blackstone griddle, and it's super good in tacos, and it's actually really good with eggs and avocado in the morning. So it's just love making a bunch of this for the week on the Blackstone. Super delicious. We go through a gallon of milk a week, between like milk and sometimes the boys have chocolate milk as a treat. We have our unsweetened almond milk, 2 18 packs of eggs. We go through a lot of eggs, and I've been really liking hard-boiled eggs lately also. Super good on salads and for snacks. So I wanted to try a different cereal this week. So I got some wheat Chex, and we usually do Cheerios for my kids, but thought we would try these out and see if they like them. My nephew, he likes Chex, so my kids want to eat what he has. So we got those to see if my kids like them. We're going to have pizza one night because it was requested. The boys absolutely love pizza, and we love this DiGiorno one. Pepperoni, rising crust, super good. So I made last week some sugar-free chocolate pudding, and I have a couple more in the pantry, but it is just not the same without some whipped cream on top. So I got a whipped cream, and we'll make some chocolate pudding again this week. So I got these Boca burgers. So they are veggie burgers, and I cook them in the air fryer, and they're actually pretty good. So 12 grams of protein, 60% less fat, but just super convenient and super easy. So they just keep them in the freezer. I got my 0-carb keto tortillas. These are my favorite for breakfast. I do some avocado, eggs, cheddar cheese, and a little bit of salsa, and make these little breakfast tacos. They are so good. Cheese that we get every week, and every week I'm like, do I really need this much cheese? But we go through it between quesadillas and eggs and all kinds of things. So big bag of shredded cheese, sliced cheese for sandwiches. I got 2 artichokes, and I haven't gotten artichokes in a while, and we got some a couple weeks ago, and the boys loved them. They're a little bit on the pricier side. It's like almost $3 per artichoke. So I kind of was hesitant to get them, but they were so good. So we're going to have them again this week. We're going to have them with salmon that I have left over. I have it in the freezer that we didn't have a few weeks back. So we'll have salmon and artichokes one night. I got some peanut butter because I've been making tons of protein balls lately. So we've started to run low on peanut butter. Our vanilla Greek yogurt for the week. Our sandwich thins for the week for my husband's sandwiches. We go through broccoli. It's our favorite vegetable for the whole family. We all love it. Been doing a lot of broccoli in our like rice bowls, so like a chicken teriyaki rice bowl. Super good with this like teriyaki sauce with just grilled up chicken, rice, and broccoli. So good. Avocado. The avocados have been delicious lately, so we've been eating a lot of avocados. Our apples for the week. If you've been around, you know I get tons of apples every week. Bananas. So I love these. It's a Great Value brand, but the Cantina style tortilla chips. They are like thin and crispy and super good, just like at a Mexican restaurant. And they haven't had these lately. Every week when I do my order, I always look for them, and they have been out like almost every week. So I'm super excited they had them this week because I'm going to make a dip on football Sunday. So I'm going to make a dip, and I'm really happy that they had my favorite chips for that dip. I got some of these mini ice cream sandwiches. They're perfect size for my kids. They're like half the size of a regular ice cream sandwich, which is awesome. Some spaghetti sauce, because we've been eating a lot of spaghetti and meatballs lately. My kids have been really into that, so been making that a lot. So I just got this for the pantry. And then these canned cream of mushroom, 2 of those, and I got 2 cream of chickens. I wanted to make a casserole the other day, and it called for cream of mushroom and cream of chicken, and I had none, which I was surprised. My pantry is usually totally stocked with those, so needed a few of those. Some canned tuna. I love canned tuna. I like to have a couple hard-boiled eggs and put it in with my tuna, and just adds lots more protein and super good with tuna. So a few packs of tuna. Well, this is a 4-pack of tuna. Our collagen, if you've been around, you know I get this every other week because my husband and I go through it a ton, and it just helps so much with skin, hair, and nails. And our yogurt tubes. These are just like little Go-Gurts, but this is the Walmart Great Value brand. And so there's strawberry and blueberry in these. So 2 boxes, and we put these in the freezer, and these are the kids' dessert normally if they have a good dinner. So this is all of the groceries for the week. I have the meal plan written out, so I will share it with you. For dinners, we're going to do carne asada on Sunday. I'm going to do the pork loin on Monday. On Tuesday, we almost do tacos every single Tuesday for Taco Tuesday because we are busy on Tuesdays with soccer practice, so we get home later and just need a super easy dinner. So for the taco meat, I make a bunch of batches, and then I freeze it into like one night's servings. And so our freezer is stocked up with taco meat ready to go. Wednesday, we're gonna have the salmon that I already have. Thursday, we're gonna barbecue up some of our chicken breasts. Friday, we're gonna do pizza, and told the boys we could do a movie on Friday because we like to just relax at the end of a long week. And Saturday, I'm gonna do some chicken rice bowls with broccoli, rice, and some teriyaki chicken. So these are the meals. And so our busyness, we have a super busy night on Thursday. We have soccer and Boy Scouts this week. So I'm gonna do the barbecue chicken before we do all those activities because we won't get home until after 7. So it's a good dinner to have early, and then we can have leftovers as well of that when we get home if we're still hungry. So here is everything. Hope you enjoyed this week's meal plan and this week's grocery haul. If you're new to my channel and you like to see all the groceries that I get each week, make sure you click subscribe. Leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. I hope that you have a really great day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.